a reason because I'm focusing on my third channel. And by the way, the channel of my boyfriend, he's the one who opened that, right? It's not a big deal that if he upload on my if he upload on my video, he asks first on me a permission, right? Before I said okay, you upload that one. That's the reason why he posts that. Not like he posts that one and all my videos when I was like what do you call that? What kind of a video in there? He upload it. So it's none of your business. His own like by his uh, my own boyfriend told that one that okay, he liked to post that, not like he posts my video and then that kind of a channel is me. No, everybody knows that that channel is my boyfriend, right? And I'm not allowed to open that one with no permission with him. Dili kay uyab nami pag ako nang i-open na anak, dili. Mo respeto pug ko sa iya, ha. Diba? So public announcement, no need to tell about what is it about the case. The case is already done. No need to turn to topic. What? You look like a paranoid, that one people. You look like a mental ill, a psychotic path. Keeping repeating with those things, it's already done. And why these people, if I say something here, oh, Princess getting mad, angry, this and that, I'm not mad. I'm just, well, if you explain or something, you say something, don't tell me you being mad. What the heck? So what if I have third channel? You're the owner of YouTube, that you can like controlling me,